Hey! So this is one of our potential camping spots for tonight.
Just need to see if we can find a bathroom.
Yeah, but the view, not bad.
Love it, life, let's go.
So we've got our parking spot for tonight. We're on for this one, haven't we?
Yeah, we found one that's right by the beach, so there is bathrooms.
Yeah, the beach is just behind that, and then the bathrooms are over there.
Yeah, the one that we were going to go to is a bit more sheltered.
Yeah, but yeah, so we're here. So you can see the van, we're over there. And then above this dune, as you can see, we're far from the beach. And this will be our shower tomorrow. First dinner in the van.
Yeah.
Just noodles. Alex made it there.
With some fresh veg.
Yeah. But yeah.
Dinner.
And then we still have the nice views outside. We're just gonna eat this and then probably have a beer and sit on the beach. Beer at the beach. To our first night in the tan. How about that for a view for breakfast? We're just sat over here, making some coffee, gonna have some bread. Yeah, after our first night in the van. Morning.
So well, it's good. Quiet and cozy.
Yeah. Neither of us braved a shower or a swim in the ocean this morning, did we?
Scaredy cats.
Yeah. Hello, hello, hello.
Good morning.
You can just about see Johnny there behind the tree. So today we've come to Maunganui to come look at the beach, to also climb the mount, and later we're going to go for some hot spring action.
Yeah. Shower.
Slash shower because we didn't this morning, didn't brave it. But yeah, and then we thought we'd come look at the beach because everyone said it was stunning, and so far it really is.
Apparently it's one of the top 25 beaches in the world according to TripAdvisor.
Yeah, have a look. Not bad at all. And then that behind the tree is Mount Maunganui. So that's what we're going to walk up.
I'm gonna die.
So as you can see, plenty of surf places. Learn how to surf, but yeah, we're heading that way. Not a bad beach. Turn around for 2 seconds. She already starts scrambling up some rocks. Hey.
Hi.
nice little walk.
Cute little random island.
Nice little easy trek that has a nice view over the ocean, watching surfers. And now we're gonna go up there. Alex can't wait. So which way are we doing?
We're gonna go on the green one so we can actually go up.
Yep.
Then we either do the purple one up to like the top bit and then come down this way on the blue one, or we do orange and then come up, but then we have to come back again. So maybe purple?
I think purple. Yeah, there he comes. Fair enough. There, which then takes us there. Found our next decision. We're going steep, so we're going that way. We'll come up from there. That's what I said.
Fact.
Alright, mate. Pretty high up. It's a very good view. Let me turn you around. Yeah, good view.
There's some hair.
Hey, how's it going?
Getting some nice views. I'm dying a little bit. Oh.
Looks like we've finished with the cliff face bit for now. And we're in the more jungly wooded bit.
Oh, you can see the other beach down there as well.
Oh yeah.
Pilot Key Beach.
Very nice.
A bit calmer for swimming.
So this way takes us to a lookout, which was the easy option, and then afterwards we're going to go up to the summit.
Yeah.
Just to get a bit of a breath. And this is a one way. There's lots of pretty birds around here.
Oh, it's got like a little bit on it.
A tuft. Chirpy. Yeah.
Oh, the shade is nice. I'm so red. There was also a, what is it called? Like a AED machine, Victor?
Oh, a defibrillator.
Yeah.
Yeah. Automatic electronic defibrillator there in case people needed it. Which
I get it.
Alex doesn't like going up. She can
My
walk.
heart doesn't like it.
Yeah, you can walk for ages, but yeah. What a lovely view. Made it to the summit. Nice little walk. Yeah. Yeah, what a view. What a view.
Yeah.
What a view.
Lovely.
Okay, to the top. A star compass. Fair enough. Looks like a rock to me. I mean, that's just cheating.
Hi.
Hi.
Just on our way down / out. Nice view.
Yeah. Yeah. Not bad at all. Yeah. It didn't really show just how steep it is. It's very steep. But yeah, good view. It's a nice walk. If you're ever in the area, definitely come for a walk around Mount Maunganui. We're walking back to the van now, so we can have some lunch. We've had a few snacks, but so we can have some lunch, and then we're gonna try our new coffee maker, a clever coffee maker, or clever coffee dripper, and go from there. I can sit and watch that view for hours. Avocado bread with new coffee made with my new coffee maker. Yeah. Oh, picture I'm recording. Yeah. Good evening. So we parked the van up at another Freedom camping place, and we are going to get some fish and chips, and then we're going to go for a dip in the hot pools, which will also be our shower for today. So yeah, so we're going to do that, and that's where we were earlier at the mount. Which is cool. But yeah.
So we just parked in the spaces actually in that. There isn't a lot actually in the camp, so
No, it's all.
it's just a car park.
Yeah, it's all kind of paid campsites, a lot of it, which we can do, but
We just parked here because we wanted to be able to walk and go to the hot pools later.
yeah.
Um,
But yeah, we won't be able to film in the hot pools or anything, but they use ocean water that they heat up using like geothermic, basically heat transfer. Yeah, looks nice. And yeah, we're gonna go from there. I'll show you the fish and chips though. And
That's what it is.
yeah, and we'll see you back at the van later, I'm sure. Bye. You know it's decent fish and chips when it comes to paper.
like full missing. Oh no. Ah.
Oh, you've messed it up, babe.
Oh, it looks nice.
Mm.
So I've got